Good morning, decent hour of the morning. It is a little bit after 8 o'clock and I am slightly dressed. I've got a very needy creep right here and I have to go get him some food because I was selfish and didn't stop last night on my way home to get him anything. So I gotta quickly run to the store and even grab myself a little breakfast, and then it's all about cleaning today. I got to get myself together because the only way we're going to be productive this coming week is if we get this house clean, and that's off my shoulder and out of my head because it is a mess. Now, on the plus side, I do have my dishes done and kitchen done and litter box room done and all that stuff because those usually take me the longest. So, yeah, so we're going to be putting together our little unit today, and that's going to help greatly with cleaning up my sewing area. And I got to get myself together for making dolls again too, like on a mass production level, making dolls again. So, and other things, but we'll go into that as we get there. So, all right, here we go, off to the store. Let's just take a minute and look at this mess that I have to contend with today. Okay? Let's just take a minute and understand what kind of fiasco this place is in, and what kind of a job lies ahead of me. So, yes, this is my complete, absolute, good morning, Olivia, mess that is my room. So, are you ready? Are you ready to start cleaning this place up and see what we can do to get it back together? Okay? Let's go! Where'd you get that at? Oh, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, I wanted to ride in a open sleigh. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. You don't even use those. Oh, what fun it is. And there's another one you don't use. What do you got 2x4s in your house? Yeah, once you make some pants, quit making patterns of pants and make pants. Oh, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, fine, oh, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bell. I don't even know how these songs go. Jingle bells all the way, oh, what fun, and everything about it. Oh, there's a curtain. Oh, jingle bell, jingle, just throw it away, don't keep it, just throw it away. There you go. Oh yeah, hello. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun, and oh, what fun, and oh, what fun it is. I think it's probably fun. I don't know if it is, but I think it's probably fun. Oh, I don't even know what you're going to make out of that. Oh, what fun it is. That's just a shirt. There you go. And hello. What fun it is. It's fun. Who has VHS tapes? You do. Oh, what fun it is. Oh, what fun it. Oh, what fun. Oh, she's going to show off now. Hello, show off. Bye. And oh, jingle bells, jingle, jingle, jingle. Jingle, 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 jingle. Jingle all the way. Oh, Frosty the Jingle Man. No, that's not how it goes. I don't know how to sing a Christmas song, so I'm just going to watch her sweep her floor like she should have done 3 weeks ago. Maybe that would have been helpful 3 weeks ago, girlfriend. There you go, there you go. Look at her working, look at her working. She is working, jingle bells. She's so worky. Throw it up. No, that's too good. Keep that one. Throw the rest of it away. How many bodice patterns do you need? Jeez. This is what she does with all of her time. She just makes patterns. Hi. Jingle bells, jingle. Why you got a can opener? How'd you get a can opener in your room? Lord have mercy. And more bodice patterns. Again, all she does is make patterns. Sweeping another ruler. She can't keep track of them. Okay, we got half of it done. We got the part where I want to set up that little unit so that the part behind me, mostly the fabric and ribbon and stuff, can go in there, and then we can head over here to clean this up. So give me a minute and we'll pull that in here and we'll get that put together. Okay? Okay, got a visitor. We'll just let him go. All right, this is it. And these are my instrucciones. This is what the end process is supposed to look like. Let's see how I can do it. So, all right, I don't think I'm gonna let you watch me put it together because there might be some foul language. Oh, aren't these cute with the little, I didn't see those. I don't know, I might have liked these better. Oh my God, those are so cute. Oh, if you have children, look how cute these are, guys. I love them. Oh, I wish I would have got those. Oh, well, regrets. All right, let me get this put together. Let's see how it goes. Hey, hey, ho, ho. Look at that. I'm not even mad at it. Look, got a little door. You can go in there. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that cute? All right, I'm pretty happy with it. This one's kind of off center, but that's probably more me than it. So, all right, let me finish it up. I love it. I love it. I really, 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 really like it. It went together super easy. I put the doors on just so you guys could see. They just kind of snap in to this little groove here. So you can put it any way you want. So you could put it opening this way. You could put it opening this way. You could put it opening up if you want, like that. Right now I have it 4-way, but I had to make sure that everybody was clicked in and tight. But I think I'm gonna put it, bear with, that's how I want it. So I have 4 high. I'm gonna have to take my dang mirror down, but whatever. That's my little Amazon storage plastic wire, wonderful, fantastic, cat-proof-ishness. Nothing is cat-proof, as anybody with cats will clearly know. But that's it. Alrighty, it's 2:30. I gotta stop and have a little bit of a lunch. Don't look at the things on the wall because they're not hung. My chair is just covered because I have to take all of the white cat hair off of it. Thank you, Minky. Yeah, so let's look around. Again, don't look, they're just things. This little mess right here, I gotta keep my cats out of here because this is going to be cat heaven, and I'm afraid they're gonna knock everything. They're just gonna go boop all the way through those things. So I'm working on something here to keep the cats out of here at the moment. And if you hear anything in the background, I'm sorry, I forgot to turn my television off because I'm watching So Natural Dane's Vlogmas. So, all right, so yes, my next door neighbors have a blue house, so let's just overlook that. So here we go. I got my 2 sewing machines set up. I got myself a little U system happening. I honestly think I'm gonna try to invest in like a tabletop maybe and put it over here, because this is just it's taking up too much space. This over here, just a mess. Don't even look at it. So this is where we are at the moment. I gotta go get something to eat. My 2 ladies laying on their new chair. I got this little butterfly chair at my job on Friday. I got it, that was clearance for $7.99, but with my discounts it came out to be like $3.99. So I thought, look, I can give her her white chair. I don't see the hair and she's happy. So yeah, she got her own chair, and that's another one right there that I have to put up. And there's Aisley. So right, it's like 4 o'clock now. I am at that point where I've hit my wall and I'm hungry and I just had some popcorn and that's not doing it. I'm going to have to go get myself some dinner because I haven't gone grocery shopping yet, so that means fast food, which is not good, but it is what it is at this point. And guys, I actually might be calling it Vlogmas Day 7 right now because I just am too tired. I got to go take a shower. I got to wash some laundry for tomorrow. And then we'll come back. I have to work at my part-time job tomorrow from 6 a.m. until 11, I think. So not very long, and I'll be home at 11 so I can do some stuff here in the craft room. Everything that came out of the craft room is in my living room and dining room, and it is another mess. So it's just one mess migrating to another mess at this point. So, but we've got garbage day on Tuesday, so half of this stuff is going to make itself to the curb. So, all right, guys, I am going to call it. Enjoy the love fest here on the new little chair, and we will see you tomorrow. Okay, you guys enjoy your Saturday evening. Enjoy your Sunday, and I'll talk to you guys on Sunday night. Okay? Bye-bye.